Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has called the death of two newborns in Indore's MY hospital murder, not accident. He said the babies died after being bitten by rats in the NICU. Taking to social media, he said the incident is inhuman and terrifying. He accused the government failure and demanded strict accountability. The shocking deaths have sparked outrage across Madhya Pradesh. Health officials have launched an investigation. The government is under pressure to explain how such negligence was allowed in a top state-run hospital. Former Chief Minister Digvijay Singh questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi's religious values, saying he didn't perform the traditional head-shaving Mundan ritual after his mother's death. While speaking in Rajgarh, Singh said Modi claims to be a true Sanatani Hindu but skipped key last rites. The statement has stirred political debate. BJP leaders call it a personal attack. Congress, however, say it's about holding leaders accountable for double standards. The comment has drawn mixed reaction online, with some backing Singh and others calling it unnecessary. Congress workers have demanded increased security for the state chief Jeetu Patwari after recent attack. In a memorandum submitted to the SP, party members highlighted concern over Patwari's safety. The demand came after an incident in which Patwari was allegedly targeted. Congress also urged police to crack down on the growing drug trade in Madhya Pradesh. With tensions rising, officials are reviewing his security arrangements. The party believes that strong protection is needed to ensure leaders can work without fear or harm. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan visited flood-hit Punjab to assess the situation. He walked waist deep in water in affected areas of Ajnala and Dera Baba Nanak. Chauhan interacted with farmers and promised central help. He travelled on a tractor driven by Punjab BJP chief Sunil Jakhar. In a press meet earlier in Amritsar, he said the government is ready to support flood victims. His visit is seen as a strong message of solidarity from the central to flood-affected regions. Leader of opposition Umang Singha stirred controversy by saying Adivasis are not Hindus. He made the statement during a tribal council meeting in Chhindwara. BJP leader Rameshwar Sharma hit back, accusing Singha of trying to please Sonia Gandhi. Sharma said India's tribals have always stood with Sanatan Dharma. The statement has created a political storm, especially in tribal-dominated regions. Congress defended Singha, saying he was only expressing tribal identity. The debate over tribal identity and religion is now back in focus. Madhya Pradesh Kisan Congress has appointed new district heads in 31 districts. State President Dharmendra Singh Chauhan announced the names in Bhopal. Raghvendra Meena is the new head for Bhopal City and Ram Meher for Bhopal Rural. The appointment seems to strengthen the farmer wing ahead of elections. Leaders said they will focus on farmers' issues like crop insurance, MSP and loan waivers. Appointment for the remaining 24 districts will be made soon. The move is part of a larger organizational revamp. In Chhindwara, a young man created a fake identity to claim benefits under the PM Awas Yojana. He submitted a photo of an unrelated woman as his wife to get the housing grant. When the woman and her family found out, they stormed the municipal office and protested. The case is now under police investigations. Locals are shocked by the fraud. Officials say district action will be taken. The case has raised concern about loopholes in the government's verification system. Two leopards seen near homes in Narmadapuram have created panic. One adult leopard and its cub were spotted for over a week in the power grid area of Patrota. After one cub died from electrocution, fear rose. Schools in the area will remain closed for September 4 to 13. Another leopard was seen near the Ordnance Factory School. Forest officials are monitoring the situations. Traps have been set. Parents are worried for their children's safety as wild animals come closer to town. A strong rain system continues to affect Madhya Pradesh. In Indore, heavy rain caused the Kanha River's water level to rise sharply. Two people got stranded near Krishnapura Bridge but were safely rescued by the police and municipal teams. Continuous rains has flooded several areas. The weather department has warned of more downpours in coming days. People are advised to stay indoors. Emergency teams are on alert. The government is monitoring low-lying areas to prevent any serious mishaps.